Hi guys. Welcome back to my Unity 3D tutorial series, puzzle game. In the last part, I complete checkpoint concept. You can see I play here. My character comes back to checkpoint when he hits death point. In this part, I'm going to create scene changing concept with scene fading. Okay, open scenes folder and create a new scene and name it by lobby. To make scene changing from lobby to main, I need a script. So, open scripts folder and create a new script with name lobbyctl. Wait until Unity complete creating script and opening it. I don't need update method, so, delete it. Now, create a new method to handle scene changing. In this method, I use async operation to load scene and determine if the operation has completed. Remember to import Unity engine.scene management. Okay, load scene async. Because I need loading main scene, so, pass main string here. Next, wait till the async completes loading. To use these things, change from void to enumerator. When scene is loaded, set it active. Use scene manager.getScene by name to get scene that I loaded before. For more convenient, I pass scene name string to this method. Change these to scene name. Okay, it seemed be fine. To call this method, use start coroutine. Pass method name. And scene name which I need to load. Okay, try a test. Open lobby scene. Create an empty game object to attach lobbyctl script. Rename it. Reset its transform and drag script to it. I need to set up something. Open File, Build Setting, then add lobby and main to scene and build. Drag themes to here. Remember that lobby is first. Close this window and try a test. Okay, main scene is loaded but it's quite fast. Because in the start method of lobbyctl, I call load scene method immediately. You can see here. Now, I'll create scene fading transition. Create a new UI, image. Set up somethings for canvas. I set it as HD screen. Stretch the image to full screen. Change the view to 2D. To focus the image, select it and hit F. Change color to black. Okay, it's fine. Rename it for more convenient. Now, I need creating animator controller and animation for scene fader. Double-click on animator file to open it. Then, add animation to this animator controller by dragging it here. Right-click and create a new empty state. Because the animation does not run at the beginning, make it as default state. Then make a transition from it to fading transition state. At Parameters tab, create a new trigger. Name it by fade. Select this arrow to add condition. OK, come back to Scene tab. I'm going to add animator component to this image and drag the controller to it. Select the object and open animation window by hitting Ctrl+6. Resize the window to editing easier. Make a record now. At the beginning, I set the image transparent to 0. I think fading transition will take 1.5s to complete. So, set transparent to 255 here. Let's see how it works. It seems be fine. I think ones is better. Let's write some code. Here, I need adding the fading transition here. Declare a public animator variable. Before loading the scene, I need start fading. So, set trigger and pass fade string that named before. When the stuff's complete, do the fade out. Before doing it, I need wait the transition complete here. Copy and paste here. Do the fade out here. The string is changed, so I need change it on Animator tab. Timkey fade out animation, just duplicate fade in and set speed to -1. Make a transition to it, then add condition. Rename it to fade in and create a new trigger, fade out. Now, add condition here. Let's check again. Now, drag image object here to attach animator. I'll make a button. When I click on that button, the fading starts and main scene will be loaded after that. So, create a method for button to call it. Move this line here. Now, let's create a button. Do some stuffs to make it look better. Now, add on click event for the button. Because the fade image should not be visible at the beginning. So, set it invisible here. And remember, make it active before do the fading. Okay, it's time to test. Click the button to change to main scene. It seemed quite fast. Let's check the code. The fade out is not shown because lobby scene is destroyed when changing to main scene. So, I need load scene in additive mode. Test again to see what happens. Remember to set canvas order to a big number. This thing keep the fade image at the top of the game view. Okay, the fade out is shown. But the light of main scene is quite bright. Why? Because there is a light here in the lobby scene. I don't need it for my lobby scene. So exit play mode and delete it. The lobby scene do not need skybox too, so I set clear flag to solid color. Pick any color, such as gray color. I reorder the button and fade image. This make the button visible when the fade in shows. Declare that button here. Because I want to hide it when the fade out completes. Write the code here. Try a test now. Remember to attach the button to lobby CTL. Rename the button for more convenient. Okay, let's see what happens. It seems okay, but something wrong with the fading. Open Animator tab. Drag and dock it here to check animation. Replay and check it. I need to change something. Delete old transitions and recreate it. The transitions start from any state is better. Add the condition like I did before. Okay, let's check again. The transition is okay, but the main scene is activated quite soon. So, come back to the code and change wait time amount. Here, because the transition takes once to complete. So, I'll wait 1.1 f-second. Now, it seems okay. Let's test again. Perfect. Everything is fine. Let's test one time again to enjoy it. You can also see the animation running at the Animator tab. Okay, I've just done a simple scene changer with fading effect. Hope you like it. See you later. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful with you, please leave a like and comment. You can see more by clicking one of these here.